What? Wow! Sayang-sayang naman nun! Oh! What? Second server! Oh my! And Serino Rivera! Finals game between Violeta Pacheco and Serino Rivera. What? Wow! Sayang-sayang naman nun!
Match point!
Match point po!
14-31!
Championship point! 14-13. Everyone is holding their breath. Oh! What? Second server!
Match point! 14-32!
The referee is asking for silence of everyone. This is it. Oh my! And Serino Rivera won the gold for mixed doubles open category.